These are animals that nature treated poorly. Number 1, the kiwi bird. As a bird, you would probably think it could fly, but sadly no. His wings are so small and hidden under his feathers that he can't possibly fly. Number 2, the sloth. It's the slowest moving mammal on Earth. In fact, they are so slow that algae can grow on their fur and act as camouflage to protect them from predators. Number 3, the panda. They spend the whole day eating just to survive because their natural habitat is mostly bamboo, which doesn't provide much value. Number 4, the hummingbird. Their wings flap so fast and burn a lot of energy that they have to constantly eat in order to survive. Number 5, the sea turtle hatchling. It's born with the instinct to crawl towards the ocean, but sadly, most are eaten by predators before they even reach the sea. Do you think that nature is cruel?